Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
Yes, so today we are going to give our reaction on intro scene from the movie Vakil Sir.
Yes, so we have the famous, the talented, super talented Pawan Kalyan sir
Yes.
here in this movie. As you guys know that we took a little break, like not little, long break
Long
because
break.
we got infected COVID-19. And if you want to know how we survived, what are all the precautions we have taken, and how you also can survive easily, you can definitely check out our video. We have just posted in Mr. and Mrs. Pandit channel, which is our
Yes.
main channel. So please make sure subscribe that channel also as well. And now let's get into this video.
Yes.
And Vakil Sahab Amazon Prime mein available hai, so you
Correct.
just go and check that movie. That is superb movie. So
Yes.
this one is the intro scene of Vakil Sahab
Vakil
movie.
Sahab, yes.
Okay, so let's get started. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe our channel if you have not already, and please click on the notification bell. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं.
Yes.
ఏంటమ్మా నోటీసులు ఇచ్చి ఎంతకాలం అయింది ఖాళీ చేసి పోరేంది
ఏనే ఖాళీ చేసేది మాకు ఏనే జాగాలు ఇల్లుతే ఉన్నారు ఇచ్చిరా అవి ఇస్తేనే ఖాళీ చేస్తాం
ఖాళీ చేయకుండా ఇక్కడ ఉంటావా? ఫోన్ ఆర్డర్ చేయి. నోటీసులు ఆర్డర్ ఇచ్చారు. ఖాళీ చేసి ఖాళీ చేసేయండి. ఏయ్, కూర్చోండిరా.
Oh.
జల్దీ
అరే తీస్తున్నారు కదా కాకా జర ఆగు.
జల్దీ
అరే పరేషాన్ చేస్తుంది ప్రాణం పోతుందా జర లేట్ అయితే.
నువ్వు ఈడ లేట్ చేస్తే ఆడ నిజంగానే చాలా మంది పేర్ల ముందు లేట్ అని పడుతుంది. జల్దీ తీయి.
అరే తేండ్రా.
అందరూ ఖాళీ చేస్తుంటే నువ్వేంట్రా సర్దుతున్నావు? నీకు స్పెషల్ గా చెప్పాలా? పదరా బయటికి.
Yeah. The lion.
ఎందుకన్నా కొడుతున్నావు? నాన్ నోటిఫైడ్ రమ్మన్నా ఖాళీ చేయించమని గవర్నమెంట్ ఆర్డర్స్ కూడా ఇచ్చింది. అరే జిహెచ్ఎంసీ వాళ్ళు నోటీసులు కూడా ఇచ్చిండ్రు. ఏం చేయమంటావో చెప్పు.
సారు మా అందరికి పునరావాసం కల్పిస్తామన్నారు. అదేం చేయకుండా ఖాళీ ఎట్లా చేస్తాం, ఎక్కడికి పోతాం, ఎట్లా బతుకుతాం మీరే చెప్పుర్రి సారు.
పునరావాసం కల్పిస్తాను జనాలకి మాట ఇచ్చిండ్రు చెప్పినట్టు చేయరు కాదని గుండాయిసం చేస్తే కనుక ఇట్లనే ఉంటుంది.
కాకా ఎప్పటిదాకా అగ్గిలాగా రగిలిపోయిండు, సుక్క పడంగాల చల్లబడిపోయిండు. ఏందిది?
ఆయన మత్తులో ఉంటేనే కంట్రోల్లో ఉంటాడు. మత్తు దిగితే ప్రతి చిన్నదానికి రియాక్ట్ అవుతాడు.
ఎవడైనా ఏస్తే కంట్రోల్ తప్పుతాడు. ఈయన ఏసి కూడా కంట్రోల్లో ఉండటం ఏంటి?
ఆయన అంతే. ఆయన ఏం చేసినా అలా
ఇంకా ఎందుకు బాబు మిమ్మల్ని మీరే శిక్షించుకుంటున్నారు.
ఎవరిని నిందించలేకనే మరి నేను శిక్షించుకుంటున్నా.
వచ్చేయండి బాబు నాతో వచ్చేయండి. మీరు ఇక్కడ ఉండడానికి వీల్లేదు.
ఈడుండికి ఎలా కుదరదు. ఏడో కాడ ఉండాలిగా. పోదాం బాబు.
రాముడు అయోధ్యలో ఉన్నా అడవిలో ఉన్నా ఆనందంగానే ఉంటాడు. చూడ్డానికి భక్తుల మనసుకే కష్టంగా ఉంటుంది. మిమ్మల్ని ఇలా చూడలేకపోతున్నాం బాబు. మీరు ఏమన్నా చెప్పండి. ఈరోజు మీరు నాతో వస్తే గానీ నేను ఇక్కడి నుంచి కదలను.
That's yes. Very natural, yeah, very natural. Looking like somebody is racketing. It's exactly very natural. मेडिसिन का डिब्बा.
Okay.
Okay.
So this was the intro
Seriously,
scene.
intro scene was powerful.
Yes, of
जैसा
course.
होना चाहिए वैसा ही था.
Of course.
It was
And also he
like that.
came out from that hut as a normal person, not like bulky muscle kind of a
Ha,
person who is living in a hut. That
Yes.
shows something unusual. whatever you
Unusual,
say.
yes.
So he was completely into a normal kind of getup.
But he
normal
was
kind of
having a
person.
spark. He was having the spark. His hairstyle, if you see, his dressing sense, the black was like suiting him a lot.
Right.
He
And
was
his
like
facial
boost.
expression, anger kind of.
Anger
getup.
kind of. His eyes are very beautiful actually. Like it is very expressive, and his eye only talks all of the things. Like there will be a lot of scenes where he will act by his eyes only. Like his eye is the main.
Because we have
बोल
seen
सकते
in
हो.
the trailer as well.
Yeah,
those
weapon.
things.
Yes, we have already seen that. And his hairstyle, his whole appearance were like, you know, putting so much positivity.
Right.
I really like his acting from the very beginning, where he just took that photo of Vivekananda and he just plays that. I really love that creation, you know, director ka.
Of course, that was
Really amazing.
and also it shows our society also whom we need to respect.
Yes, very
Exactly.
true, very true. And I really love that, like they have vacated the house, like he has vacated the house, the way he was like sitting in the lorry. हम भी ऐसा करते हैं, मतलब very natural acting है.
Natural
ऐसा
acting.
कुछ नहीं है कि
And also-
आपको देख के लगेगा कि क्या हो रहा है, मतलब this is not natural at all. It is completely natural, very real.
And also this
Very
things,
compatible.
this scene particularly has covered like it happens in the real life also. They
Yes.
promise something to give you, but they don't give
They
you.
don't give,
For the, generally, it happens a betray kind of thing with the poor people.
Poor people, ha.
that is
So
a
maybe
common
this
thing
movie,
also.
not maybe, like this movie actually is a remade version of Pink movie, right? Which already got released in Bollywood long years ago. So yeah, like the whole movie is like conveying the problems of the society. Like later on, it will be more deep into the problems, like serious issues of the social life. So here also, like from the very beginning, they have narrated that thing. So that's what we really love.
Right, of course. Right now,
This
people,
kind of movie
people
should be
generally
there.
used to like to see the social issues, natural
Related
problem,
movie, ha.
whatever the problem poor people are facing nowadays. Also, those things really love.
Yeah.
Nowadays, romantic kind of movies and all.
There is no need of making those kind
those
of
things.
movie
Movie is
actually.
not
ha.
not super duper hit also.
Yes,
right?
yes, because
And
people
generally-
can understand. No, people nowadays, people can know that okay, if already we have seen like 100 times this romance kind of a movie. Now we have to, be focused on the serious issues of the society, so that
Nowadays, the tastes
people can
of the
think.
people are also getting changed.
Getting
right?
changed. And one more thing, like he was looking very fit, no? Like he was looking fit, and the way he was carrying himself, like at this age also, it is unbelievable.
Yeah, of course. No doubt.
The way he just get out from that house, he was like completely angry and boozed, and like it was looking like he's like not a aged person. He was looking like he was a like 20 years old person. That much he is fit.
We are getting
He has
unfit
already,
nowadays and he is fit.
he is
That's
fit.
right, yeah.
Really, we are very looking forward to see the more scenes reaction from this movie. वकील साहब और भी बहुत अच्छे scenes है यार. If you want to see, please let us know in the comment bar. And yeah, we really enjoyed the scene. This scene is the ultimate, the perfect intro
Perfect
scene.
intro scene.
Yes, you can say. So yeah, that is it for today's video. Really enjoyed it. It's a 10 on 10
Of
from
course,
our
no
side.
doubt.
We cannot reduce a single point. The way he has gotten the entry and the way the whole scene was captured, the camera angle, everything, जो मारपीट हो रहा था वो भी बहुत real था. Right, the action sequences were like done beautifully. So that is why it is a 10 on 10, and yeah, we really enjoyed it and hope you have also enjoyed. If you want to see more such this video reactions, please subscribe our channel if you have not already. And please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.